Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Kitaholic Kits, and this is the sketch inspiration that I am going to use. It's more of a layout inspiration. So what I did was that I took this wood piece from the Cocoa Vanilla new collection, I think is what it is, and I did up some clear gesso on it because I want to come in with tons and tons of splattering from Shimmerz Paints for this particular layout. And in the layout inspiration that I found, it shows that there's two pieces of paper, which is what I'm working on right now, and then a bunch of mixed media with a cut file. And so the cut file that I am using right there is from the kit exclusive, so it's all of the subscribers, and it's from Virginia Walker. It's from the Confessions of a Paper Addict, and I thought that this worked perfect for these pictures. Now I do cut them down. I do cut the one down for sure because it's a little too big, because I did it as a 9.5 by 9.5, and I wanted it that big because I wanted the one side to be bigger than the other, and it's just so that I can have this type of a cut file on both sides. And the pictures that I am doing is of my daughter getting her hair done with my good friend Stephanie and my hairstylist. She does make house calls for her favorite customers, and I am definitely one of her favorite customers. I will admit all beyond mitts that she is definitely one of my very, very good friends. And also my hairstylist, she's my pampered chef lady. She does my makeup if I need her to. She does it all. So she came out and did Kaylin's hair and makeup for me for the butterfly dance with her dad. And I just wanted to document this because I think and I feel that this collection will do a lot. I'm going to do up a lot of those photos. I really, really enjoy how this collection brings all of those photos to life because of the colors. So now the mist that I am using is Ginny Bee Blue, which is the one that I used there. I have Mango Tango and also Cotton Candy. And I'll link them all down below. And obviously, if you do mention my name for Shimmerz, you also get a free little sample of one of their products if you do order from them. So make sure that if you do, that would be amazing. So that I can get, also, that is what I get rewarded when you do use my name, is you put my name down and I get a free little sample as well. So you win and I win. And with the Kitaholic Kits, make sure that you go check out their website. All of their stuff will be linked down below. And that way you can see what they get. And their kits are very reasonable, and they do a lot of Cocoa Vanilla. So if you like the Cocoa Vanilla colors and stuff and the palettes and their collections, this would be a very good kit to get because they definitely put it in there. And I get the paper pack, an extra paper pack, and the main kit. That is what I use, and I can get because I'm a heavy embellisher, I can get between 5 to 6 layouts per kit. So that's actually pretty good for me. So now I'm just going through everything and trying to find out what I want to do and how I want to do. And I want to say that I am super duper sorry about not having anything up in the last week. And it was all because we ended up getting a phone call. It was personal emergency. Everything is fine. All three of us are good. We had to just go back home to my husband's family in Oklahoma, and then had to travel back. So we left, and we are now back, obviously, because I am doing up this voiceover. I'm doing a couple of voiceovers tonight, and then I'm going to get back to scrapping, because as much as I wanted to be in the scrap room, I am super duper ecstatic that I wasn't in there, because I got a ton of mojo back. I sometimes just need a break, and sometimes I don't know when to do that break, and this was a little bit of a break, and I'm glad for that. So in the inspiration, they had a couple of different pieces of paper that you will see me cut and use, and it had some squares around it. So what I decided to do was to cut up those circles instead and use those as my pieces. And so this is the paper that I'm telling you that I'm doing the strips on, and you'll see what I do with it. And then it'll cut off because I had to let things dry and pick up on the next night. So now I am laying down right here, I am laying down tissue paper for my photos. And that's going to be my layering, excuse me about that, my layering pieces for this for the photos. And yeah, I just love how this turns out. I am so grateful. It's awesome. I love the colors. I love how this turns out. I've always loved Cocoa Vanilla, but I just don't get it all that often. So when I can get it in kits and stuff, yep, I'm going to definitely use it. So now I'm getting the pieces down, and I decided to do this. And if I'm planning on doing this layout again, or this particular layout again, and I'm going to stitch down these. I didn't stitch this time, but when I did the voiceover for the Kitaholic Kits YouTube channel, I was like, man, yes, that's what I need. I want to stitch down that. So the next time I do it, I'm definitely going to be stitching. But yeah, it just turns out well. I love it. So let's see here. What can I get caught up on? Oh, I can say that you will see more close to my heart stuff on my layout. Not asking for you to purchase or anything from me. I just know that we're coming into the holidays and I want to use up, because they've got some amazing papers. So I want to use that up. I do want to use the new Dear Lizzie collection. She's magical. I want to use the Slice of Life from Amy Tan. I've got tons of hip kit stuff that I want to use all before the holidays start, because y'all know about the middle of November on my channel I will be coming up on my 2 years, and I want to hit up all of my Christmas stuff. I have all of my Christmas stuff from last year to do, including my daughter's Sparkles one that I did for 25 days, her elf. So I have got to get caught up. And I don't want to fall behind on my Christmas layouts at all, because I love, love, love doing them. Because, you know, the whole month of December, all of my stuff, except for probably the Kitaholic Kits, they will all be about Christmas, because I want to get all of them done, because I do it a year behind. So I take all my photos that I need to do for this year, get them printed out, and then I document them next year. So that it is like I am a year behind, but it works out perfect for me. So yeah, that's a little bit about what's going on and what's going on here at my neck of the woods. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday, but like October, that it's finally starting to cool off in places. I know that when we went back home to Oklahoma, it was chillier for us and we didn't pack like it, so it was okay. We ended up getting some sooner sweatshirts for Josh and I and my daughter, but yeah, it was nice cool weather there. I was like, oh, and then we get back here and it's almost 90 degrees. I was like, man, I'm ready for the fall. Like, I'm ready for the fall to finally hit. It would be nice. But yeah, so now I'm just coming back in with my splatters. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody. Go check out the Kitaholic Kits. Make sure you like and subscribe to Shimmerz. Obviously, you know that I love their stuff because you see me use it all the time. Make sure you go check out that. And the still shots are coming up. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!